The running lights are supposed to turn on. Down where they're supposed to be plugged into, we got 2 cut wires. Okay, that's gonna be my plan, and these will go in, and these will be hopefully like that. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Hey guys, it's Andy. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're gonna be working on this 2003 Royal Enfield Bullet 500. I got this bike a few weeks ago. It was in really good mechanical shape. A couple things here and there. I'm gonna fix it up. I'm gonna bring it to you. I do all things motorcycle, so please like and subscribe for that. So today, what I'm gonna do is replace and fix the running lights. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. As you can see, the running lights on this Royal Enfield are very cloudy. When the bike's on and the lights are on, the running lights are supposed to turn on. So those running lights are not coming on. So I might have to replace the bulbs, but I'm also gonna replace these because they look very cloudy. I'm gonna show you a close-up what they look like. You can see there are the running lights, very cloudy. I'm gonna replace them. I'll show you how. All right, I got these running lights from eBay. They're an Indian seller. I just bought the cheapest one. Took about 3-4 days to ship from India. Looks like they are new, which is what I wanted. And they are not LEDs, they're incandescent pilot light, they call it. Running light, pilot light. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is what they look like, a lot clearer. New guards, chrome guards, and screws. First thing you want to do is actually take the headlight off. The reason why I want to take the headlight off is because to get to these lights, they have a big pigtail, and it's in the headlight area that they are. So you have to take the headlights first. We have to get one screw. It's a flathead screw. This one's loose. We gotta get one on the side here. Let me get that. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver. One on the side's really small. Put that to the side. I got one more on this side. Here we go. All right, 3. Ta-da. Headlight. And what I'm gonna do next is just disconnect this part right here. Okay, headlight there, black and orange, pulls out, there we go. Disconnect, put this to the side. I can see the pilot lights are all disconnected right now. I'm gonna show you. Looks like these pilot lights are all disconnected for some reason. That's not a good thing. Probably, not sure why. Sometimes they can pop out, but this looks like they are disconnected. So I'm gonna trace them and see if I can figure out where they go. All right, interesting development. I found where they're supposed to be plugged into. We got 2 cut wires right here. A black and a white, a gray and black stripe. I'll have to make a connection so I can hit the blacks and the grays together. Yeah, so let me do that. I got my workbench going on here. And what I'm gonna do is for each of the connectors, there's remember a black one and a gray and black one that I'm gonna crimp in here. I got a butt splice here. So I'm gonna crimp there. And then on the ends here, I bought these female disconnects and they fit really good right there. So if this one was the black one, then both blacks will go in here in a quick disconnect. And then I'm making another one, so the grays will go together as well too. So what I did is I just got some doorbell wire, some red and white doorbell wire, copper, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my connectors. So the first thing I'm gonna do is crimp the female disconnects on. So I need 2. I already stripped the wires here, so put them in there. Okay, that's secure. I'm gonna get the other one, go this side. All right. Make sure you get the right color. 16 to 14 gauge, that's just for the, mainly on the connector side, so you don't wreck it. Squeeze tight. And that's it. So before I do this, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some heat sink on. And you gotta make sure to put the heat sink on first. When it's like this, you won't be able to slip the heat sink on each individual wire or over the blue butt end here. So you gotta do them first on here. So one at a time and in stages. You'll see how I do this because I'm going down. Stage one step down. Now I can finally get this small one here. So cut it. It's good. And finally. Not beautiful, but it will work. Get a red connector, butt splice. If it's red, I can go down a little bit more to the red one. Right there. There we go. Okay. Done. I got a red one and a white one. This will go to the black. This will go to the gray and black. And so all my new lights, one will go on one will go the other. The black ones are gonna go here. All right, I'll go in there. Okay, that's gonna be my plan, and these will go in, and these will be hopefully like that. All right, onto the bike. So the first thing I gotta do is kind of strip these wires a little bit, and I gotta go this way. Sorry, it's not gonna be great to see. I don't have a lot of wire to work with. I'm a little scared because if you wreck it, you really have to start all over again. I think I need a little bit more crimping on this one. Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take these lights out because there's probably a reason why these were cut. And if there's a short in the lights, then I'm gonna replace them with the new ones to see what happens. So let me put the new ones in. You can see there is one screw here. Set it aside. There's a shield. You can see there's the interior. Someone looks like they painted it inside there. And I'm gonna pull this out. Just yank it out. There we go, like this. All right. So if there was a short somewhere in here, hopefully the new one is not, and that will prevent it from shorting out. So let's get the new one in. Very similar. Just gonna feed them through the holes. As I feed through the holes, I can see them coming out here. All right, you can see the wires. You can see the light in there. I'm gonna get the other side now, do the same exact thing. All right, there's this, let's pull it out. There's that one, let's get the new one in. All right, now, moment of truth. The black ones on each side. One on each. Plug it in. Plug it in. Okay, we're going okay. The white ones. Gray ones. Plug it in. Plug it in. I can't remember if I need to hook the headlight up first, but that's it. All right. Let's see where we're at. They are on, look at that. Woo! They're working. We got it, everybody. All right. Success. Success. Let's get these on now. One. Woohoo! Success. All right, now we got to get the headlight on, but I'm going to show you something. Headlight's a little rusty, so I'm going to clean this off. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Watch this. What you can do is I have apple cider vinegar that I'm putting on around here, all around here. And then what you're going to do is get some tin foil. It's a soft metal. And you can see it just takes that rust right off. It doesn't scratch anything. Coming off really good. It's a acid that will eat the rust away. It's not too strong, but it's a lot better. Not perfect, but a lot better. Oops. But that's what you want to do. Apple cider vinegar, tin foil, aluminum foil on the rust. I'm gonna clean up a little more and then put it back on. I forgot, this top nut usually has a little clamp that pulls up. It was missing, so I adapted, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this contraption right here, the little wing nut. Pulled this wing nut out a little bit, has a little more room to grab. There we go, that's what it will look like. Not perfect, but let's get this back in, and it should work, hopefully. There's that, there's this. All right, let's see if the wing nut holds. It does. All right, there we go. Yes, look at that, everybody. Woohoo! All right, let's put the sides in. Not bad. Two. I think we gotta wait till the bike's on for it to actually to run, to show the headlight, but let's see. I got the light and the pilot lights, everything's working A-okay, it's looking good. I'm pretty happy. There might be a way to get a better connector. Hopefully you don't have to do what I did, but that's a cheap way I got it done. So again, that's gonna do it for me. Guys, please like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you on the next one.